Have you seen Apple's latest holiday ad? If not, you're in for a real treat. Forget everything you thought you knew about tech commercials, because this one is pure, heartwarming magic. It's called A Critter Carol, and it features a group of absolutely adorable handmade animal puppets who find a lost iPhone in the woods. So, the story starts with a hiker who accidentally drops his brand new iPhone 17 Pro in the snow. A whole crew of forest critters, we're talking a raccoon, a bear, a rat, an owl, a deer, and more stumble upon it. And what do? They decide to make a movie. They film themselves singing this super charming song called Friends, which, fun fact, is by the hilarious music comedy duo Flight of the Conchords. The whole thing is incredibly cute and really well done. Later, the hiker and his partner come back to find the phone. They use the Find My app on an Apple Watch to locate it, of course. As they approach, the animals scamper away, leaving the phone nestled in a little heart made of twigs. The guy picks it up, hits play, and just watches in disbelief as this little animal music video unfolds on his screen. The ad ends with the mole whispering, "Hope they like it," and the tagline, "Friendship is a gift. It's just so wholesome." What's really fascinating about this ad is the story behind it. Apple shot the entire thing on an iPhone 17 Pro. Yes, this whole beautiful cinematic piece was filmed on the very device it's advertising. They even released a behind-the-scenes video showing how it was all done. The director, Mark Malloy, who also directed the new Beverly Hills Cop movie, talks about how he wanted to embrace the tactile nature of puppetry and craftsmanship. And that's a key point. After the backlash Apple received last year for their Crush iPad ad, the one where they squished a bunch of creative tools with a hydraulic press, this new ad is a complete 180. That Crush ad really upset a lot of artists and creators. It felt like a symbol of technology, especially AI, destroying human creativity. So this year, Apple went in the complete opposite direction. A Critter Carol is all about celebrating the handmade, the analog, and the warmth of human creativity. The puppets are handmade, the puppeteers are real people, and even the text you see in the ad was hand-printed using old-school wood blocks. It's a brilliant marketing move. They're saying, look, our technology isn't here to replace your creativity. It's here to empower it. The ad subtly showcases the iPhone 17 Pro's new camera features, like the 8x zoom, the center stage selfies that can shift from portrait to landscape, and dual capture, which records from the front and back cameras at the same time. The director mentions in the behind-the-scenes video that the power of the iPhone allowed him to capture the story in a really immersive way. So, you get this warm, fuzzy feeling from the story, but you're also seeing a demonstration of what the phone can do in the hands of a creative person. The whole production was a massive effort. It was shot on a sound stage in Prague, with the ad agency TBWA Media Arts Lab, who works exclusively with Apple. Production companies Smuggler and Unit Plus Sofa were also involved. It's a global campaign, so you'll be seeing it on TV, social media, and all over the internet. A shorter version even aired during the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. So, what does this all mean? Apple is reminding us that at the end of the day, technology is a tool. It's what we do with it that matters. They've managed to create an ad that not only sells a product, but also sells the feeling of connection, friendship, and the joy of creating something together. In a world that feels increasingly digital and disconnected, this ad feels like a warm hug. It's a story about friendship being the greatest gift, and it uses the very technology it is selling to tell that story in the most charming way possible. It's a masterclass in advertising, showing that you don't need to be loud and flashy to make an impact. Sometimes, a simple story with a lot of heart, and maybe a few singing puppets, is all you need. What do you guys think of the ad? Did it hit the mark for you? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.